this is the part 2 of clothing, and today I want to talk about the stuff you might need it inside a house and the stuff that you might not need it for the parties. Don't bring every single clothes that you own at your home country. If you are coming here for study, you probably ended up not going to the party at least for first 6 months that you are here. And besides, people here are very casual. So you probably realize that when they go to the birthday party or regular gathering, they don't dress up as much as other places, I would say. You can get along with a pair of jeans and a hoodies or a t-shirt. It's really up to you, but I would say don't waste your luggage space with your dresses or high heels, and try to pack the necessary stuff inside your luggage. If you're renting a place or sharing a house with some roommates, make sure you pack some warm clothes like warm pajamas or warm socks or sweatshirts or hoodies inside your luggage, because sometimes the house owners, they keep the temperature down and they believe that you have to wear warmer clothes. Or you never know, your roommates might be one of those people that they are always hot and they want to keep the house temperature cool. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Comment it below and let me know if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.